That was a short nap. Yeah, it was only 20 minutes. And it's and the sun's still shining. Wait, and the sun is still shining. Okay, let's go. That felt much better. Let's fly again and stop over to that sand area right there for a little walk, because it's not a hike without walks. I can't fly throughout the whole place. Whee! They fell. 3 of them fell. Well, I mean, 4 of them. Abby, Leo, Cody, and Autumn. Come on, guys. Come on. You're better than this. Second time you have failed. Sorry. Wait, who? Cody. Oh, sorry. This is where we wanted to stop at? Yeah. I just walked the way. Look how close we are to the boundary. We're almost there. Whee! I thought you said no flying. This isn't flying. This is just jumping really superior. Super like. Okay. Everyone here? Yeah. Come on. Let's just walk the rest of the way. I'm getting tired of jumping and flying and stuff like that. And now I'm not. Ooh, look, a hill. Ah, yay, hills. Ow. Felice. Ah. Wait, what happened to Felice and LoCo? Oh no, they fell in that hole. Help us out. Yeah, we can't get out of here alone. I'll help you, Felice. Oh, I'll help you, LoCo. Where's the way to slide down? Ah, oh dear. Wait. Okay, now we're stuck in here. Ah! Let me that leaf. Guys, climb on here. Okay, we'll try. I'm afraid it might break. Still crunchy. I want to eat it. Ow. Dude, what if it's like... Oh, whoops. What's up? Okay, bye-bye, leaf. Thanks for saving our lives. Okay. Wanna roll down the hill? Yay, rolling! Oh, that was weak. Whee! 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 None have ever reached where Leo is. Whee! Oh. Autumn, you're the best roller ever. You went to the foot of the hill. Well, it was really nothing. Hey, look at that tree. We must stop there and take a rest. In the shade of the sun. Now we're in like the open area of the forest. Look how far we went. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah. I'm gonna climb the tree. Yay, I can see almost everything from here. Well, not almost everything. I can see everything from here. Whoa, 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 ow, ow, oh. Oh dear, are you okay? Yeah. Oh dear. Wait, you see a deer? No, I'm just saying deer. Oh dear, like, oh dear. Someone's hurt. Wait, where's Felice? She can blend in here quickly. Felice! Felice! You're gonna tell me that she's lost again. I'm right here. You left me in here. You left me out here. Whoops, sorry. Hey, look at the boundary. We're so close to it now. Open area of the forest. 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 Of the forest. Yes! Whole thing of shade. Finally. Freckles is going to love this. It's a good thing there's a camera magically floating in air recording this to show her. Yeah. Let's reach to the very end. So, okay, my LoCo people. This has been our hike. And when we go back, it will just be all the same, but only a new adventure. If you want, comment below to show us if you want to see our hike back to home. Till next time, we will... Ow. Well, you know what? I think we should record. Yeah, that would be awesome. Why isn't Trevor here? Because he's boring. But till next time. Well, tomorrow actually, we will be spending the night here because it's just so beautiful. Look at it. Yeah. Oh, I'm hungry. Same here. But so we will be camping here for the rest of the day and night, and we will be leaving first thing in the morning. Look how far we went. I've never been this far away from home before. Look how close we are to the boundary. There's another world out there. But I don't think we should start it now. I think we should start going home tomorrow. I love all of you fans, and we will start up again tomorrow. So, bye.